Legasea was founded in early 2019 with the intention of changing the subsea industry for the better. Our core business is to offer a reuse option which hasn't been available in the past to help make the industry more environmentally sustainable. We are focused on obsolescence management to mitigate current and future instances of vital equipment becoming unavailable when production is at risk. To achieve this, we offer an alternative route for decommissioned production systems or inventory which is no longer required. Our services include repair, refurbishment and new build of subsea mechanical, hydraulic and electrical equipment. In addition, we also offer test and assembly services using our internal and external test pits, and we also have a capability to handle assemblies of up to 75 tons. Our services also include storage, preservation and inventory management, as well as offering factory acceptance tests and site integration tests. At Legasea, we feel that it shouldn't be all work and no play, so recreational facilities are available on site for our team to enjoy. At Legasea, we want to offer you the opportunity to recover, refurbish, recertify and reuse. For further information, please visit legasealimited.com.